Good morning, friends. Myself, I am Hardik. Today we have studied the hydraulic turbine. So in that we study the Pelton wheel turbine. So let's start Pelton wheel turbine. So boys, today we have studied the Pelton wheel turbine. So what is a Pelton wheel turbine? It is a tangential flow turbine. The flow in that the water strike on bucket tangentially. The energy available at the inlet of turbine is only kinetic energy, and pressure at the inlet and outlet turbine is atmospheric pressure. So, Sir L.A. Pelton is an American engineer. Find out this turbine. So, firstly, draw the turbine diagram. So, the main part of turbine diagram is penstock with sphere rod, runner, casing, vanes and jet of water. So firstly draw the figure. फोन आला मला सांग. सो डायग्राम कंप्लीट झाली की मला सांगा. आपण नेक्स्ट याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन बघू वन बाय वन. बेसिकली हा पेल्टन व्हील टर्बाईन आहे. हा आपल्याकडे एक्सपेरिमेंटमध्ये आहे याचा सेटअप. एक प्रॅक्टिकल पण आहे आपल्याला याचं. हाऊ टू कॅल्क्युलेट द ओव्हरऑल इफिशियन्सी ऑफ पेल्टन व्हील टर्बाईन. असं एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे. सो ड्रॉ करा. झालं की मला सांगा. झाली का? ठीक आहे. अजून 5-1 मिनटं, 2-3 मिनटं ड्रॉ करा. सो आपण आता वन बाय वन बघू मेन पार्ट्स. सो द फिगर शोज layout of hydroelectric power plant is a Pelton wheel. In this, the water come out from reservoir through penstock at the outlet of the nozzle is fitted. The nozzle increase kinetic energy and decrease pressure energy. Water flowing through nozzle at the outlet coming out from jet and strike on buckets. So main parts of Pelton wheel turbine is nozzle with arrangement, runner with bucket, casing and braking jet. So first is a nozzle with flow arrangement. So nozzle with arrangement, the amount of water striking on bucket as the runner is controlled by providing spear rod as shown in figure. The spear having conical needle which is operated by a hand wheel automatically. It is dependent on the unit size. When spear rod push forward, the amount of water striking on runner is reduced. On the other hand, the spear rod push back, the amount of striking runner is decreases. So draw the figure of nozzle with spear rod and write down the informations. So the next is runner with bucket. So bucket having shape, that is a spitler which is divided into two parts. So firstly draw the diagram of bucket and then start what is a bucket. Draw the figure buckets. So next, so diagram, draw the diagram. The hatching portion is connected to the runner. So the figure shows runner of Pelton wheels. It consists of circular disc on the periphery of a runner, which a number of bucket evenly space and fix. The shape of bucket is having double hemispherical cup or bowl shape. Each bucket divided into two symmetrical parts by dividing wall called as splitter. The jet of water strikes on splitter. The splitter divided into jet into equal parts. The bucket are shaped such as that the jet deflected through 160 degrees. The bucket are made up of cast iron, cast steel or stainless steel. So next is a casing. The figure shows Pelton wheel turbine with casing. The function of casing is prevent the splashing of water and discharge the water to tail race. It also acts as safeguard against accident. It is made up of cast iron or fabricated steel plate. So the casing, without casing, the Pelton wheel does not perform any work. So firstly write down the runner with bucket and then casing. Write down casing with runner and buckets.
पूरा है कंप्लीट पूरा
व्यवस्थित लिहून घ्या रनर ऑफ जेट अँड केसिंग. So last is a braking jet. So what do you mean braking jet? The jet provided opposite side of the Pelton wheel turbine for braking the speed of turbine. When the nozzle is completely closed by moving the sphere rod in the direction, so amount of water striking on the runner reduced to be zero. But the runner due to inertia goes on revolving long time and it will be affect the speed of turbine, life of turbine. So to stop and prevent these cause, to stop the runner within short time, a small nozzle is provided which direct the jet of water to the back of the vanes. The jet of water is called braking jet. So what is a braking jet? So jet is provided to brake the speed or to stop the speed of turbine opposite side of the turbine. So write down the braking jet. So in this way, again I repeated the total phenomena of lecture. Today we see the Pelton wheel turbine. It is a tangential flow turbine in which the main parts is nozzle with flow regulating arrangement, runner, casing, braking jet. So this is a proper information which is asked in the examination of MSBT. So best of luck. In next lecture we study the velocity triangle of Pelton wheel turbine. Thank you.